everyone, and welcome to Japan Day 2026.
The 23rd Japan Day was held at Auckland Showground and attracted more than 20,000 visitors throughout the day. The venue was filled with colour, music, and the aroma of delicious Japanese cuisine, as people enjoyed a rich program of culture, food, performances, and hands-on activities.
Hey everyone, once again, a big welcome to all of you to 2026 Japan Day.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Japan Day 2026.
Kia ora. Now my Kikone Japan Day.
皆様こんにちは。新年おめでとうございます。メリサリ申します。ニュージーランドの国会議員を務めております。
What made the day especially meaningful was its diversity. The majority of visitors were non-Japanese, Kiwis, Chinese, Koreans, Indians, Filipinos, Sri Lankans, and many other communities, coming together to celebrate and experience Japanese culture. Japan Day truly reflected Auckland's multicultural spirit. A special highlight this year was the strong presence of our sister city, Fukuoka. An extra-large dedicated area showcased Fukuoka City's tourism, culture, food, and business initiatives. Visitors enjoyed free food samples, giveaway gifts, a children's colouring-in corner, a photo booth, and informative displays introducing the charm of Fukuoka City. It was a lively and engaging space that drew steady crowds throughout the day. This year celebrates the 40th anniversary of the Auckland-Fukuoka Sister City Partnership, and we look forward to commemorating this special milestone together. The Japan Cultural Trust hosted a large and welcoming tea tasting experience area, offering free tastings of teas from Japan, Korea, China, Sri Lanka, and New Zealand. Visitors flowed through continuously, sampling different varieties and engaging in warm conversations with the presenters. It became a wonderful meeting place for cultural exchange over a simple cup of tea.
Traditional arts were also a major attraction. The Japanese tea ceremony and flower arrangement displays offered moments of elegance and calm, while dynamic martial arts demonstrations energized the audience. The main stage remained busy all day with a full schedule of performances that kept families entertained from morning to afternoon.
Japan Day 2026 was more than an event. It was a celebration of friendship, culture, and community. Families and friends shared smiles, discoveries, and memorable moments together. With such enthusiasm and positive energy, we eagerly look forward to welcoming everyone back again in 2027.